Let us begin with the chapter adjectives. Now, as we all know, adjectives are those words which qualify the nouns or pronouns in different ways. Adjective of quality, which shows a particular noun or pronoun is of what kind. Adjective of quantity, it answers the question how much. Adjective of number, how many. Demonstrative, it demonstrates which things, this thing, that thing, those things. Possessive, possessive shows possession. Okay. Interrogative, as you all know, WH words. Okay. First, I am a horrible cook. This is an interesting book. If these are answered by questions of what kind cook I am a horrible book. Which kind of book it is? It's an interesting book. So they are called adjectives of quality. Megha has little patience. There is not much oil left. Now these sentences answer the question how much. How much patience? Little patience. So they are known as adjectives of quantity. Tenzing stood first in my class. Mr. Bhatia has 4 class. Okay, now first this shows the position and this shows the number. So in what order he stood? He stood first. How many? 4 cars. So they are ordinal or cardinal in nature. This is ordinal, this is cardinal, and they are called adjectives of number. Also, adjectives of number has some basic categories. These two are definite numeral adjective. Why it is called definite? Because we can count it. And if it is indefinite, that means we can't count it. Adjectives of number can be further divided into these categories. Some children were going on a picnic. Most people prefer to stay indoors on weekend. Now, here the question is how many, right? How many children were going? Some children were going, okay. But they don't refer to an exact number. We can't say how many children, right? There is only a small quantity, some children. So, they are adjectives of number and they will further be categorized as indefinite. Why we are calling it indefinite? Because the number is not definite. There is no exact number. Each boy must submit his work today. Every pill has expired. When these words are used, they refer to each one of a number. Every pill means every pill, every single pill. Each boy means every single boy, okay. So they are adjectives of number and are classified as distributive numeral adjectives, okay. Now there are some adjectives which can be used both as quantity and as number. So she has enough strength. Here it is used as quantity. He has enough pens. It is used as number because we can count it, okay. The camel drank all the water. Ben ate all the cookies. The adjectives in the first of each set answers the question how much. So they are uncountable nouns and are adjectives of quantity. Which we can't count is quantity, which we can count is number. See, how many? Enough pens, all the cookies. So they are adjectives of number and they are countable, okay. Always remember, quantity is used with uncountable nouns, adjectives of number is used with countable nouns. Now demonstrative adjectives. We all know this, that, these, those are demonstrative words. This umbrella is leaky. Here this word is qualifying the noun umbrella. That jacket is from Shimla. That word is qualifying the noun jacket. Okay. Singular we use for near, this. Plural, these. For far we use that and those. This, that, these, those can act both as demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. As adjectives, these words are followed by nouns. Always remember that whenever adjectives and pronouns are sometimes similarly used, you can find easily which is the adjective, because adjective will always be followed by noun. For example, this assignment is on rivers, and if it is used as pronouns, this is the assignment on rivers. You can see the difference. There is noun after these adjectives, and as in pronouns it refers to which thing is being referred, okay. Leave it, it's my pen. Their bungalow looks beautiful. Now, those adjectives which show the belonging are called possessive adjectives. Possession, possessive. Okay, always remember. Now, how we will distinguish between pronouns and adjectives? It's simple. We will always find that if there is adjective, if this is possessive adjective, it will be followed by noun. But in pronoun, it is not like that. This purse is hers. So here, this word is possessive pronoun. While in the first sentence, this is her purse. Whose purse it is? Her purse. So this word is used as possessive adjectives. You can see this table, okay? Interrogative adjectives, they ask the questions. We all know that. Okay, but same distinction in pronouns and adjectives, we will have to find the basic comparison that if after the word there is noun, it is adjective, and if after the word there is not noun, then it will be pronoun. See, which of the two dresses do you find better? This is pronoun. And which dress do you find better? This is interrogative adjective. As adjectives, these words are followed by nouns. Always remember this rule. And when many adjectives are used in a sentence, there is an order in which all will be arranged. First, opinion. Second will be size, then age, then shape, then color, the origin, then the material, then the purpose of it, and lastly the noun. So this order has to be learnt.